How to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone. And now here, if you are an active premium plan user of Spotify, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In this section, you will see the option labeled as premium or your premium. So there you just have to tap on it. And once you tap on that, on the next of your current subscription, you can just tap manage and this will open your subscription details. So there you can just scroll down until you find the cancel subscription option, and once you have found it, you can just tap on it. And once you do it, Spotify will open a web page and automatically sign you into your account. And you will see information about what happens after you cancel, including that your account will switch to a free plan at the end of your current billing period. And if you are sure you want to cancel, you can just tap on continue to cancel, and you may need to tap continue to cancel once more. And finally, with that, you can scroll down and tap on yes, cancel to confirm. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.